Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a sea day on board the Disney Magic.
Yes.
So, I don't know. We're heading back towards Texas. You know, final sea day. The winds have definitely picked up. I said it was like 42 knots. Temperature has dropped. It was 90 degrees yesterday. Expected to be in the 60s today. So, definitely a little chillier. Definitely a little rougher. But we're still going to have a good day.
Yes,
we have a lot of inside activities planned for today. Definitely won't be any swimming. But this morning we have the Princess Gathering. That's going to be for Tiffany, in case y'all weren't sure about that.
It's really for him. He's just hiding behind me.
That's okay. It's for me. I want to go meet all the princesses, which you'll notice you won't see me in the pictures later. But, you know, hey, we'll go with that. But let's get our sea day started. Y'all can see the seas are just, they're a little rough this morning. Not terrible. Ship's not moving a whole lot. But with the high winds, definitely isn't calm and quiet out there this morning. Just a little rough. So she is off to see the princesses. I don't think I've seen her move this quick in a while. She must be excited.
I got you, baby.
Thank you so much. Thank you. The rest of your day today.
That was awesome. I got to meet Mulan. I've never met Mulan.
What were you and Mulan talking about?
About all the people she's met from all over the world.
All right, so we are down here in the Promenade Cafe. Tiffany wanted a coffee, but it also looks like she's got some kind of arts and crafts going on there. So what are you making there, baby?
Pascal.
You're making a Pascal. All right, so Tiffany's going to be doing arts and crafts while we're waiting for Marvel Trivia, which is why I came down to the Promenade Lounge. All right, she has colored. Now she is cutting out arts and crafts on the cruise ship.
Before I went to the nightclubs.
It's a good time killer when you're waiting for the next activity.
Is it really a time killer, or are you really just letting your inner child fly and you're having fun?
Both.
Okay. All right, so she has finished making her Pascal. So arts and crafts on the Disney Magic. now we're down in the D Lounge. We're going to try our hand at Disney Tunes trivia.
Yes, but they do it on the keyboard, so I always have a little problem with this one.
I don't know. We haven't even remotely come close to winning a trivia on this cruise, so maybe we'll do slightly better today on this one. We'll find out.
Hey, I've been practicing though. I've been listening to Disney music for 3 months.
How would they know? Well, how would they know?
So we are eating dinner in Animators Palate. You ready for dinner, baby? Yep, she's already looking at the menu. Now this restaurant will change. You see it starts off black and white, and the colors will start coming out here shortly throughout dinner. Baby, so show me your knife. You always like to show the knife when you're in there. Looks like a little paintbrush. I didn't see him in the gift shop this time either.
Put your hands together because it's time for Marvel Superman Face Off! Hello everyone in D Lounge, how are we doing? We can be louder than that. How are we doing? You all sound very powerful with your screams. My name is Tiffany, I'm part of your entertainment crew staff team, but tonight I am your host for Marvel Superman Face Off! Who here thinks they have the supreme knowledge on all things Marvel? Make some noise! Who is the guide to the Soul Stone? Who is the guide to the Soul Stone? Dead man, okay. Red Skull, no idea. Red Skull. I'm sorry, my two, that is not the correct answer. Please hand your whiteboards back to Lily. Now, I'm going to ask you more questions. This is a speed round. You're going to place it to the side of you. What material is Captain America's shield made of? Yes! Vibranium is correct! He's got a point! Well done.
And our last towel animal. 2 more chocolates, and we got a bear. And our cruise survey.
Oh my gosh, it's like a bottle with everything together.
All right, and our last C day is done and complete. Did you have a fun day today?
Yes.
What all did you do today?
We did trivia.
We lost a lot of trivia.
We lost a lot of trivia.
I'm into the semifinals in the Marvel Game Show.
Yes.
That was pretty good.
Yes, it was.
Animators Palate for dinner.
Awesome.
Awesome. But another day done, another day complete, and unfortunately that means tomorrow is disembarkation. So we got to finish packing, get all that stuff done, and get ready to get off the ship for tomorrow. So we're going to get started with that, but I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course, always let you know when we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always,
We'll see you out on the high seas.